Here you boys go again. We're looking for a pool hall connected down here in Broad. We're not gonna give exact locations.
Let me go first, Steve.
Not on these.
You don't remember?
You find it, you find it.
There's no forgetting that other one, huh, bro? That was horrible, man.
Yeah.
You were terrifying me walking off the ladder. What's this? Down there's a basement.
Man, this mat smells fresh. It's fresh.
No, this ain't the one.
Locksmith.
What's in there?
What's in there?
This is the locksmith place.
See as far as you can get up front.
Lock shit over there.
It's stuck.
Like locksmith.
Safe.
All right.
You step over the garbage. This one's all locksmith.
And usually they no, garbage on the ground.
Helmet.
It blows me away that nobody ever comes and cleans out these places. It's the seafood, fresh and cooked fish.
No. I did, trust me.
Here's the old sign from in front of it.
You know what I mean?
I thought I got the alcohol, man.
Cut it off, cut it off!
Yeah, this was a locksmith. Oh, this part I'm supposed to get either.
What's the sign that say? 2008?
You got here. Yep, 2008.
You guys be careful, this floor feels kind of soft.
Yeah, it is over here too.
August 2010 right here. Calendar.
I need paperwork behind. Pay on time. Look at receipts. Look at this. A bin.
Oh man, it don't feel good. What's up there? Nothing?
Look at 12/13/07. Steel City Locksmith. Yeah, boy. There it is, 1724 Broadway.
Awesome.
Steel City Locksmith, right there.
Careful right in there, bro.
And there's the front of the office. I'm gonna say this is the workplace. Yeah, right there don't feel good.
Hell yeah. Use that.
That's better. Here's the front of the office. Yeah, it was a locksmith. All kinds of stuff. We got, look at that.
Oh, this floor feels like marshmallow, man. Man, they got Dimitri vodka, Foster's. Look at those lines. Australian for beer. Wake up call. Here we go, yeah. Look at that place. Hey, I've been scoping that place out, man. There's nothing going on there.
Hey, let's get a picture here, man. It's a photo op.
Yeah, it is. It's a good place for photos.
Look, I can set my shit right there,
Oh,
too.
man, I got my truck, my monopod again.
Picture time.
Steel City Lock.
Steel City Locks. It's Locksmith. Nice, isn't it?
Got his work boots in there.
And here's what it looks like. Not a whole lot to see, but, you know, it is what it is.
Watch where you're going.
A lot of more personal information stuff left behind. Phone books everywhere. I mean, it blows me away.
Here, check it out.
This is people's personal stuff.
Yeah. I see.
The NIPSCO bill. NIPSCO bill, $741.
Wow.
Right there.
Let's say, yeah.
There's an old photo.
This is so funny, man. So bad.
Yeah, man, business is good.
Look at August 2010.
All of his shells. Those are good shells,
Man,
man.
this shelf's gonna come down on top of me.
The shelf is the sturdiest thing here. All right, there it is. Nah. Okay. Let's bounce, man. It's very dangerous. This is the floor. The floor is very dangerous.
It actually looks decent, to be honest with you.
What is that?
Oh, look, no, it's not. The roof is caving.
Hey, you guys watch this big glass right here. Big
Oh, that looks cool on that wall, how that peeled out and showed that brick.
Let me see that. Look at that sign there. Look at you like this. Look at that ceiling. Now that's the original ceiling right there. Look at that.
It's powerful, man. The stairs look good, though.
Look at the ceiling in here.
The stairs look good.
Man, that ceiling's hanging above our heads by a thread.
Oh,
man.
it is. Look
Yeah,
at
get
that.
out of there, guy.
Look at that.
Where I'm at?
Yeah.
Where I'm at? All right, let me get 2 more pictures. He said, let me get 2 more pictures. I'm gone.
Crazy things that you don't catch, man.
Oh, wow.
Look at that sign on the door. Sign.
God.
Scar?
Huh?
Sign.
Yeah, I seen it when I walked in.
Oh, these. Oh, I thought they was.
No, these are solid, man.
Oh, they moved.
I'll tell you what, whoever made the steps back in the day, they did a good job. All the houses, pretty much. It's hard to come across a pair of steps that's not safe.
You know, I remember?
What?
Remember right over here where Daddy's buys paint? The Smith paint?
One
Or
shot.
The Central Paints?
Uh-huh.
I remember the old man when I was in there one day buying paint. He told me there was old machines in the basement that they used to make paint, to mix the pigments and grind shit up, the old school shit. I remember him telling me that shit.
Did you say you want to go look?
I don't know if anybody's in that building.
Hey, get us out of here, man. Locksmith building. What do you think?
This is Steel City Locksmith. Terrible building. I wouldn't recommend buying it. But yeah, it's bad. Ceilings falling in, floor's mushy, and there's a basement, so you know it's gonna fall in pretty soon.
Where do you
So
see your pictures that you're taking?
Midwest Flash, Urbex, baby.
All right.
Follow us to the next one. We're out of here.